Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by Orthocell Managing Director and CEO Paul Anderson. Paul, it's good to see you again.
Thanks, Tylah. Nice to be here.
So it's been a busy couple of months for Orthocell. Can you start by talking to us about your recent news around Remplir gaining momentum in prostate surgery?
Yeah, look, this is a really exciting new indication for our product Remplir. It's approved here for the repair of peripheral nerves in Australia and now in the US as well. The announcement today was really documenting the great progress that we've made in treating over 100 patients for the use of our product in radical prostatectomy surgery or nerve-sparing radical prostatectomy surgery. And so really exciting that organically our product has found its way into urological surgeons, and they're using it to assist them during the surgery to hopefully increase the urinary continence and decrease the erectile dysfunction, which is so often happened when associated with these surgeries.
And Remplir has expanded into Asia and Canada. How big is this milestone and what's your market reach at this stage?
Strategically, we really want to have a global footprint for this technology, for this product. You know, obviously the US is the largest healthcare market in the world, and that's where we're really laser focused on. But as evidenced by our recent approvals in Singapore, in Hong Kong, in Thailand, and in particular in Canada, you can see that our strategy is to have a global footprint, to maximize our opportunities, and to also add value to the asset. So the more places that we are approved in, we believe the more valuable that asset is. And so, you know, we are focused on delivering our technology into those markets, no question. And Canada is a significant adjunct to the North American market. And so that remains a goal. However, we are laser focused on the US and really driving our technologies and uptake in the largest healthcare market in the world, which is the United States.
You also completed a $30 million placement back in October. How have you used those funds and what progress have you made?
Yeah, so look, we haven't used those funds as yet, but we certainly intend to do so. It was a fantastic capital raise for our company, and we raised $30 million at around $1.30, which is about a 10% discount to market. So we were very pleased to be able to do that and very thankful of new investors and old investors who participated in that institutional round. And so that leaves us with a fantastic balance sheet with over $50 million in the bank, and really enables us now to accelerate our activities and our processes in the United States. That's where we're going to get the best bang for our buck, and that's where we're going to be addressing. So in conjunction with increasing our presence in the US and driving that clinical uptake, it also gives us the opportunity to make sure that we have plenty of scalability, plenty of manufacturing capability, and so that we're looking at adding another module to our clean rooms to really complement the modules we have, and to make sure that we've got plenty of supply as we move into this really exciting US and global market.
As we've said, it's been a busy couple of months for the company. What does the rest of the year look like, and what are some key catalysts that you're hoping to achieve in 2026?
Yeah, look, it certainly has been a busy year, and when I look back on our quarterlies and when I look back on the milestones we've achieved, it certainly brings a smile to my face, because we've had some significant achievements this year. US distributor appointments, US FDA market approval, first surgical use, first sales, Canadian approvals, Thai approvals, Hong Kong approvals. So, you know, it's been an exhausting cavalcade, if you like, of outcomes. So we've been delighted. And so we're really looking forward now to 2026. We're waiting on the first Canadian usage of our product, the UK and EU submissions for Remplir on the horizon in Q4 of this year. And, you know, we're really thinking that we're not far away from EU and UK market clearance. But our main focus and our main drive really is on that US market.
Paul, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for your time today.
Thanks, Tylah. Always a pleasure. Thanks for having me.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.